Hello everyone, we are Team Nebula from Marathwada Mitra Mandal Institute of Technology Pune. Agriculture is the backbone of our nation, yet many farmers continue to face challenges such as crop damage caused by animal intrusion, water wastage, and the manual operation of irrigation systems. These challenges reduce productivity, increase labor, and affect farmers' livelihoods. To address these real-world problems, we developed the Smart Farm Assistant System, an affordable IoT-based solution that integrates crop protection and smart irrigation into a single platform, making farming smarter, safer, and more efficient. Now let's take a closer look at how our solution works. Our Smart Farm Assistant System integrates multiple farming solutions into a single platform. The system continuously monitors the farm and detects animal intrusion using sensors. Whenever an intrusion is detected, it immediately activates a buzzer and LED warning system to help protect crops from potential damage. In addition, farmers can remotely control the irrigation motor through a mobile device, reducing unnecessary travel, saving time, and improving efficient water management. By combining these features into one affordable solution, our system makes farming smarter, safer, and more efficient. Now let's see our working prototype in action.
Now let us demonstrate our minimum viable product.
As the object approaches the protected area, the sensor immediately detects the movement and activates the light buzzer to deter the animal intrusion and protect the crops. The irrigation motor can also be controlled remotely by the app, allowing the farmers to manage irrigation efficiently without needing to visit the field.
This working prototype demonstrates the practicality, functionality, and
Feasibility of our solution, proving that the smart farming system can be both affordable and accessible.
As we continue to develop this solution, we plan to integrate AI-based animal recognition for more accurate detection, soil moisture sensing for the intelligent irrigation, cloud-based monitoring for remote farm management, and drone-assisted crop analysis to support precision agriculture. Our vision is to transform this prototype into a scalable and smart farming solution that can benefit farmers across different regions.
Our Smart Farm Assistant System is designed to create meaningful impact by making smart farming technology more affordable and accessible by reducing crop loss, conserving water, and minimizing manual effort. Our solution can improve farming efficiency and resource management with future enhancements such as AI, soil monitoring, and cloud connectivity and precision agriculture. Our solution can be further developed for real-world farm deployment.
At Team Nebula, we believe that innovation is not just about creating technology, but about using technology to solve real-world problems. Our Smart Farm Assistant System is a step towards making farming smarter, more sustainable, and more accessible. We are excited to continue improving our solution and turn this prototype into a practical solution that can benefit farmers in the future. Thank you for your valuable time.
We are Team Nebula, cultivating innovation, empowering farmers. Thank you.